Hello parents, my name is Mrs Davies and I am your children's teacher this year. I would like to start this video by apologising about my voice. I am recovering from tonsillitis at the moment, therefore my voice is a little bit croakier than it usually would be. This video is a chance for you to learn a little bit about what we've been doing in class so far this year, and also for those of you who don't know me, a chance to put a face to the name. I know I've been fortunate enough to teach a lot of this year's class's older siblings, and I've had a chance to meet some of you in the past, but as the current circumstances are as they are and we can't meet in the way that we usually would, this video at least gives you a chance to see who I am. So on our meetings, on our phone calls on Thursday, you have a chance then to talk to me about any concerns you have or anything you'd like to ask me about your child or about year 6. And I know at this point in the year, a lot of parents worry about transition and the fact that their children are in year 6. And I want to assure you that we work really closely with the secondary school, and transition may not be in the same way that the children usually have it, but it will be happening, and be that virtually or through discussions, with us discussing and working closely with the secondary school. So what have we been learning about this year so far? Well, we really felt as a school, as the children had been out of education for a while, and also, you know, that coming back to school was going to be a bigger transition than it usually would be at this point of the year, that well-being was going to be central to everything that we did this year. So we have changed our timetable a little bit, and every Monday morning and Friday afternoon is now centred around well-being. And the children have been part of planning and thinking about the activities they'd like to do. And basically, we do lots of different activities that help the children look at different areas of well-being. Therefore, we've been doing a lot of creative activities. We've been being active, going outside. We've been doing activities to do with nature, yoga, mindfulness, but also we've been discussing feelings. We've been discussing our hopes, our fears, our dreams, and our worries. And it's given the children a grounding and gets them ready, I feel, for the week ahead. And then on the Friday afternoon, it relaxes them before the weekend. I told the children at the beginning of the year that what I really felt was important for them is that they were happy, but they were also respectful and showed respect to each other, but to themselves as well. Therefore, those are qualities that we have been nurturing this year and that we feel are really important, because if the children are happy and contented, then they're more willing and able to learn. So a little bit about what we've been doing in our work, in our themed work. Our theme this term is Dyfal don cadir y garreg, which translates as if at first you don't succeed, try again. And we've learnt a lot about different explorers and people who have challenged themselves in different ways. So they've learnt about Edmund Hillary, they've learnt about Jordan Romero, who was the youngest person ever to climb Everest. We've discussed whether it's appropriate for young people to do such dangerous challenges. We've looked at people who've done so many different challenges. We've learnt about Antarctica. We've learnt about local rugby legend Richard Parkes, and we asked him questions because he did the 737 challenge, 7 peaks, 3 continents, and in 7 months. Therefore, we've learnt a lot about what it takes to overcome challenges, and the children have really responded well to the project work and have shown a lot of inquisitiveness and interest in what we're doing. In terms of the scientific aspect, we have been looking at animal adaptations and what animals have adapted to live in different environments, and how, if we changed their adaptations, could they live within a new environment. They've also been looking at an experiment to do with insulation and insulating our drinks for a long journey. And during the next half term, we'll be starting to look at space as well, and space exploration, and they always thoroughly enjoy learning about space. In terms of literacy and numeracy, in literacy we have written a number of genres. We have written a report about Everest. We've written a letter from the point of view of a historical character, and we have also written from the point of view of an inanimate object, a bag of dreams. And in our maths lessons, we've taken it right back to basics, looking at place value, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and just ensuring that children have gone over those key things, ready to learn more in year 6 during the rest of the year. Therefore, I will look forward to talking to you in our phone calls on Thursday, and I hope that gives you a little bit of an overview of what we've done so far this year. And my door is always open. You're always welcome to ring and speak to me if you'd like to. And if there's any concerns or anything I can help you with, then I'm always ready to help. I look forward to speaking to you on the phone. Goodbye.